My screen is visible. Okay. So Friday also I have explained some fit gap analysis presentations. Okay. So this is one of it. The business processes sales from stocks. This is the fit gap analysis regarding sales from stock. So the purpose is this process is to understand the uh, sales process from the stock, which is actually standard SAP process, which we called it as a OTC process, where we create an inquiry, quotation, sales orders, outbound delivery, and billings. So there are benefits that in this OTC cycle, availability check will be performed, and with respect to that, shipping point will be determined automatically. So delivery billing will be done in the system itself. Postings will be done. So key processes are creating the sales order, converting converting this purchase requisition to purchase order. But this is with respect to if the stock is not available. So, oh, sorry, sir. I think I have not something updated here. I think this needs to be corrected. Actually, this came from actually IPO process. There should not be purchase orders actually in this OTC cycle. Okay, so required system is SAP S4 Hana, and important key roles involved here: sales administration, which will create all the sales document in the SAP system. Then buyer will be there, sales billing, warehouse clerk, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. Okay, so detailed process as the customer will inquire for some stocks with this, by any method like fax, telecommunication, mail. So that inquiry will be recorded into the SAP system by creating one sales inquiry. With respect to the sales inquiry, sales order will be quotation will be created, and with respect to quotation, sales order will be created if customer is agreed with that quotation. So then, with respect to the sales order, delivery document will be created, and then accordingly, customer invoice will be created, and that will be posted to the accountants. So here, different roles are like now, if you see, sales administration is there, warehouse clerk is there, billing and account receivables. So if you see, the event customer inquires to buy some products, then with respect to that, inquiry will be created in the system. The inquiry output will be given to the customer that his inquiry is acknowledged by the business. So with respect to inquiry, then a quotation document will be created. This will have valid prices, quantities, validity period that will be legally bounded, all the details. So once quotation is created now, this approval will be taken from the customer whether he is agreed to the quotation or not. If he is agreed, if he is not agreed, then process will end with the reason of rejection. If he is agreed with the quotation, then sales order will be created. Now in this level, credit management will happen, where credit limit will be verified for that customer. If there is some extra outstanding from the customer side which is beyond the credit limit, then definitely this will block the sales order. If customer outstanding is within the credit limit or there is no outstanding, then it will go for the order confirmation. And once order confirmation is done, now here the main process is sales from the stock. That means we are having the stock available. So with respect to the available stock, outbound delivery will be created, picking, packing will be done, and simultaneously after delivery, the post goods issue will be done, so that inventory accounting documents will be posted. And after post goods issue is PJ is done, a delivery note will be given to the customer, and as per the delivery confirmation from the customer or sign on the delivery note, we will create a customer billing invoice in the SAP system, and then the billing output will be sent to the customer. So once payment is done, it will be posted to AR incoming payments, and the process will ends here. So with respect to this, I have tried to run this process in the SAP system.
Okay, go to your flow diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, could you execute? Okay, so here like you said like there is a sales inquiry, create inquiry, quotation, and sales order process, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here like once you are giving the getting the inquiry, so after that you
Hmm.
are giving creating the quotation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this quotation so need the approval process actually. So because that sales manager has to see the quotation what you have provided to the customer.
Mhm.
So once he reviewed the
Right.
quotations, so then this quotation has to send to the customer.
Okay, correct, correct,
Yeah.
correct.
So could you tell me any how the
Mhm.
SAP best practices how it works?
Uh, Regarding the approval of quotation from manager,
Mm-hmm.
means I'm not aware, but definitely if definitely when quotation is cross-checked, definitely there will be workflow. So in the back end, workflow will be triggered to the respective manager who is
Okay.
approving this quotation, and once it is approved, then this quotation will get saved, and then that quotation output will be delivered to the customer. That should be the scenario.
Okay. So and second thing, you need to check what all the approval process, what all the
Yeah.
workflow process is available in SAP sales and distribution model in S4 HANA.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
like inquiry is there, quotation is there, sales order is there, right? So
Yes.
like that, what are all the transaction SAP they have provided standard workflow process, okay, approval process.
Okay.
So
Okay,
that
sir.
also you please and maybe yeah. So maybe the next session, if you just make one
Yes, sir.
the gaps you maybe you identified, right? So it's not a gap actually. The standard best
Mhm.
practices we have the process of the approval process. So
Mhm.
how
Correct.
just refer some document and you just give some detailed explanation if you have configured something. So that is
Mhm.
also good. Or otherwise, just showcase how it works in SAP. Hmm?
Okay. Okay, sir. Actually, in that scope document, these all these things are already given. So, but due to our limitation of this PPT page, so I
No,
have
that is not
eliminated
a
those
problem. So
things.
just for approval process, how it works. So
Yes, sir.
the one
Yes.
thing you need to present. And second
Yes.
thing, what are all the workflow process in SAP sales and distribution in S4 HANA? So they have given the approval process. So that is also you just present it. Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, now you go back.
Yes. So I've tried to execute this one. So the prerequisites for this business process, first one is the master data are there. So first one is customer master. So the customer should be maintained here with three different views. So in HANA now we have the different business partner role like this. 6 times 0 shows this business partner general data. So in this for this business partner, we can maintain the detailed addresses, name one, name two, search fields, then postal codes, and different region fields. So this data, and then sale in the sales view, we have to maintain the sales related fields like customer group, sales office, and then sales group, document currency we can maintain here, which will be reflected into the sales documents, and customer pricing procedure, which is one of the field that is required for pricing procedure determination in the sales documents. Then in shipping tab, we have to maintain the delivery priority, delivering plant, shipping condition, which will help to determine the shipping point. Then in company code, this will go to FI, and in this particular, it is not maintained, but yeah, reconciliation accounts, head office, sort key, this needs to be maintained by FI people uh, for this FLCU 00 FI customer business partner role. Then there are different tables with respect to the customer master, like K and A1 gives the general data in the customer master. The important fields like customer number field is KO, NNR, country key, LAND1, name 1, name 2. city, postal code, PSTLZ technical name, then a region, and the REGIO. This represents the general data view. Then in customer master sales view is represented by KNVB table. So there are then sales area is important one like VKORG is the sales org, VTWEG is distribution channel, SPRT division, customer group, customer pricing procedure, delivery priority, then definitely shipping conditions, document currency, sales group and sales offices. Then third view is company code view. So KNB1 table represent the company code view details, where company code and personal number are two important fields that I know from there, not detailed information as this is maintained by FI people. Then material master. So important fields required from sales point of view are the material code. That is the number generated once we save the material master data. But then material description is the base unit of measurement, default delivery plant. Then atom category group. This is used for determining the atom category, valuation class, and pricing controls. Whether it's a standard, yes, or it's a moving average price. Okay, so there are different screenshots like basic data we maintain. Actually, this number is internal number which is generated by the system. This is the description of the material, division, then gross weight, net weight. These are the basic data details. Then material group is important one here. This one, the same material group will needs to be maintained in sales org one view here. Material group 1002. Then base unit of measure, sales unit is required. Then yeah, in the sales org one view, tax details are also there, but actually I'm stuck here that why for this sales area I'm not getting that tax details in this screen, and due to that I'm not able to derive tax condition type in sales orders. Okay, so then sales org view here important field is atom category group. No, atom category group, depending upon this atom category will be determined. If it's a normal OTC process, we generally maintain norm standard atom. If it is a third party, we maintain BUNS BNS. So depending upon that, the business the sales document will decide whether it is a standard process, whether it is a third party process, or if it is a IPO process. Then in accounting valuation class, pricing controls are the important fields in material master data. Different important tables are Mara table, which gives us the general master data like material number, Matner, material type, MTRT, industry sector, material group, old material number. Then sales view data for material given by MVK table, material number, Matner, sales org, VKORG, distribution channel, VTW. So sales area related details will be there. Sales unit, atom category group, delivering plant, material group 1 material. These are the sales area material groups, also called as pricing groups for the material from sales point of view. Then material plant data MARC, here we can see the details of the plants. So Matner
Okay,
plant
so
here.
Rahul, what we can do here, so just
Here.
put the screenshot,
Okay.
so that put that input screen, output screen, and whatever field name you added, so that is great.
Yeah.
And
I had kept that also, but I think that is in different documents, two different documents.
okay.
Earlier I had kept only that screenshot, and second I only kept this one.
Yes, yes, and we need to know the what is the field name. Somebody is asking in the sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales order number. So you should know what is the field name for that. No? So like a material number. Material number is a common for everyone. Customer number,
Ha,
delivery
right.
number, invoice date, delivery date, sales order date. So these are all the when you are creating the sales order, you know what all the field, right? You have the
Yes,
document type,
yes,
you have a
yes,
sales
yes,
organization,
yes, yes.
distribution channel, division, customer, sold to party, shipped to party, PO number,
Yeah.
material, quantity, unit of measurements, payment terms, right? So like
Yes.
that, these are all the key. I don't want all the fields, but when you are creating the sales order, these all the fields are mandatory. We need to enter.
Mhm.
So at least you should know what is the field name and what is the field name for that.
Okay, but these are field names, no, sir? It's the sales or material number,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
this is
yeah.
technical
Yeah,
name.
this is fine. Yeah, this is fine.
Okay, I should give heading also actually
Yeah,
here
and
because
one
this
more
is not
thing,
this.
everyone, not only for you, so everyone,
Mhm.
please memorize. If somebody's, if even when we do the next session, if we have the FS functional specification preparation, so we should know at least, you prepare the document, you prepare the, added the fields, tables, etc. And if you are somebody's asking, could you tell me what is the field name for material number or supply, customer number or sales order number? If you don't know, then no meaning to prepare this document. So please memorize. Please, you should know. I'm not asking all the fields in the table. So every table, at least minimum 5 to 7 fields. That's it. So you should be familiarized. You should be in do the only the practices. It will keep remember those fields. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So table is so okay. Fine.
Yeah,
And
then created sales order.
mhm,
V01 screenshots I have taken. Sales order is saved. Then I have shown here the which item category is determined here. So TAN is the standard item category. So because of this norm item category, it is determined. This one
mhm,
TAN, and yeah. So this is item category determination table for this. Billing relevance is here. Delivery related billing documents. So whatever the invoice in this case will be created with respect to the outbound delivery. Domestic taxes here determined with respect to this combinations of account determination, sorry, pricing procedure determination. Different tables for sales. This is VBAK header table. Then we have VBAP item level sales document table. Yeah, here I have taken the screenshots actually, not in master data. This one. Okay, then schedule line data VBEP table. Some important fields are here. Then sales document business data VBKD table. Then partner details tables. Then I have created a delivery document here. Uh, so after delivery picking is there, and then post PGI is done for this. There are different important tables. LIKP delivery header table, and then LIPS delivery item table. Then invoice is created. Actually, there was some issues, so I was not able to save this invoices. And for invoices, there are two important tables: VBRK, that is billing document header data table, and one is VBRP, that is billing document atom level data. I have also triggered outputs also, but in this document, it is in different other document. But in every document, I have triggered the outputs also to the customer. So the PDF one output device is working for that actually. Already it was the LP01, but it is not working. So that
okay.
also I have
So
changed.
so the process you said like a sales order delivery invoice, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll create the delivery. So could you tell me what is the material? What is the accounting documents you are creating?
Yeah, in that case, actually, yeah, during I think PGI actually that accounting inventory accounting document is generated actually. So cost of sold goods are actually debited, and inventory cost is getting credited in that case.
Okay. So could you tell me how the system takes the GL account, COGS,
Uh,
debit and stock is credit? So how system is, because this is automatically generating the accounting document, right?
right, right,
So
right,
what is
right.
the rule behind that?
Actually, the movement types are the that key point, which is connecting these documents with the accounting posting documents.
Mhm. So, but
Movement
yeah,
types.
so what is the step-by-step process actually? So, movement type is one of the key parameter.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yes.
so what is it? The backend, what other configuration is required to make so that COG? Otherwise, system will throw so many errors, right? So, if you have the
Yeah.
step-by-step process,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
could you explain about the process, the configuration point of view? So, this is purely automatic account determination, right?
You're right, right.
Yeah, could you explain
Sir,
about that?
actually, means like sales, means like it's sales document. If accounting posting is there, that I'm completely aware how account determination means is there. In this scenario, means like in PGI level, that posting I have not ever studied, like how that
See,
GL is means
see here
configured.
also like point of view how they explain, executed. No, same way like there is some 5 steps are there.
Okay,
So
okay,
just you check with the team.
okay, okay,
Okay,
fine,
so there
fine.
is a valuation grouping code assigned to valuation area,
Okay,
company code, chart of account.
okay,
So
okay, okay.
then we have this valuation grouping code we are assigned to the respective valuation
GL,
class in
GL.
OBOIC under GBB
Okay,
VAX. Hmm.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so now under that you can able to system will check the COGS account from VAX and stock will be taking from BSX. Okay, so under the BSX, so just to prepare one small document because even though it is a part of and SD
Mm-hmm.
integration, and you should
Okay.
know. So the prerequisite like the material master, there is a valuation class, and this valuation class, we are assigned to the OBOIC for VAX as well as BSX. Both the places we are assigning. So because there are sequential steps are that, okay. So just to
Mm-hmm.
make the
Okay.
automatic account determination process and prepare one document. So when there is interview point of view, when
Mm-hmm.
somebody is asking, so then you can able to answer how the post goods issue, accounting
Mm-hmm.
documents are posting, right?
Okay. Okay.
And same thing
Yes.
like a invoice also. Any idea? So how the invoice while creating the invoice, so there is accounting entries are posting. So what is the
Mhm.
backend configuration for that?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So if you don't
Yeah.
know,
Yes.
no problem. You just refer the document. Please come back. So next session, so
Yes.
we will look into that. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. 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 Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.